ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಗಣೇಶಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣೀಯಂ. ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣೇ ನಮಃ. ದಶಕಂ 19, ಶ್ಲೋಕ 10. ಅವಾಪ್ಯ ದಕ್ಷಂ ಚ ಸುತಂ ಕೃತಾಧ್ವರಾಃ ಪ್ರಚೇತಸೋ ನಾರದ ಲಬ್ಧಯಾ ಧಿಯಾ ಅವಾಪುರಾನಂದಪದಂ ತಥಾವಿದಃ ತ್ವಮೀಶ ವಾತಾಲಯನಾಥ ಪಾಹಿ ಮಾಂ. Word by word meaning. Prachetasah, prachetas. Daksham sutam avapya, getting the son named Daksha. Kritadvaraha, having performed Brahmastra. Narada labdhaya diya, with the knowledge received from Narada. Ananda padam avapuhu cha, attained the state of bliss, moksha. He Isha, O Lord, Vatalayanatha, Lord of Guruvayur. Tatha vidaha tvam, thou who art thus. Mam pahi, protect me. Full meaning. After begetting the son by name Daksha and performing Brahmastra, Prachetas attained liberation by means of the knowledge imparted to them by Narada. O Lord of Guruvayur, deign to protect me. Note: in Brahmastra, seekers assemble for enquiry into Brahman to do Brahma Vichara. Om Tat Sat.